Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
San Bernardino Tower, November 9er, 206 November, 9 nautical miles.
06 November, and say location.
Northeast, 06 November. I'm just stuck around here. I'm coming from Apple Valley. I'm a student pilot solo. There's no more visibility, but I'm trying to descend to the airport.
Okay, 06 November, and so what is your known location again?
Known location, you mean by which airport did I come from?
Whereabouts do you think you're at right now?
630.
Okay, where do you think you're at right now, 06 November?
I'm between Apple Valley and San Bernardino. I'm like on top of the hills. I'm trying just to descend. 630.
Okay, so you're Piper 630, not 06. So you're Piper 630.
I'm sorry about that. I'm November 9er 1630. 630.
Okay, 630. Maintain VFR. What is your current heading?
My current heading is 210630.
Okay, so are you above the freeway out there? Can you tell that?
Yeah, I'm like kind of seeing, but I'm not sure because there's a lot of hills, you know.
Line 1621 Heavy, just got a little situation here. I'll call you back.
No worries.
38603, 38603, runway 6, and Wincom clear to land.
Runway 6, clear to land, 603.
Okay, November 91630, you seem to be kind of north of the airport, is that right? You're heading 210 degrees still currently?
Sorry sir, I'm not getting what you're saying, 630.
Okay, 630, but you're still heading to the south. You're heading 210 degrees, is that right?
Yes, I'm heading 200, 630. I think I passed the airport, or I'm beneath it. I'm like on top of it.
Okay, 630, can you see any ground reference?
630, yeah, I can see, but not. But yeah, I'm trying. Yeah, every time I'm descending, I'm clearing up, you know.
Okay, okay, maintain VFR and just keep going to the southwest. So if you're up in that direction, you need to come on that heading to get down in this area. So the visibility down here at this airport is 3 miles, but it's very, very hazy. So let me know if you can see a freeway that goes kind of north and south. That should be the 15 or the 215 freeway. You should be coming up from that from your description.
And a tower, I got them on ADSB. It looks like it's about 5 miles on like a 320 radio.
Okay, 603, thanks for the info.
San Bernardino Tower, November 9er 1630. I see the airport.
Okay, November 630. So you see San Bernardino Airport. Go ahead and proceed direct to that airport now, and VFR descent at your discretion. Just make sure you maintain the terrain clearance.
630, I already cleared the terrain. Now I see the airport. I'm just trying to descend.
630, roger. VFR descent is approved. Altimeter 3012. Wind is calm. Visibility is 3 miles with haze. Temperature 14, dew point 04. Altimeter 3014. Just keep descending. Let me know when you're ready for clearance to runway 6.
Okay, I'll let you know when I'm gonna be cleared to runway 6.
And 630, so you can still see the airport okay, right?
Yes, I can see it very clear now. Thank you, sir. I'm sorry about that.
No problem. Just make sure you're safe, and so just prepare. Let me know when you're turning for a downwind to runway 6. Just make a left downwind, runway 6.
Okay, I'll let you know when I'm down for runway 6. 630.
And 630, I tell you what, if you want to, you can just cross over the top of the airport and then make a right downwind to runway 06. That'll be fine too, so let me know which one you want to do.
I'm just going to cross the airport from above and go for runway 6.
Okay, so 630. Okay, so just cross over the top of the airport and then make a right downwind entry to runway 06.
Right downwind entry for runway 6, 630.
Okay, November 38339, are you on frequency? And November 3603, thank you for your help. What's your request, please?
Taxi back for VFR departure.
3603, roger, turn left, taxi Alpha, taxi runway 6.
Alpha to runway 6, 603.
And November 98339, you on frequency?
Just came up, sir. We're just inside the Patterson.
Okay, 98339, are you VFR inbound or IFR inbound?
We are IFR. What I'd like to do is cancel IFR at minimum and then go VFR over to Redlands for a full stop.
Okay, 339, roger. Report canceling IFR, please, and just continue on the ILS right now.
Okay, I will give you a call at 2:15 then.
Okay, and Cherokee 630, so you're ready for a right downwind now, correct?
Correct, 630. I'm just a little bit up. I'm just going to go circle, make a 360 until I get my altitude.
Okay, 630, just make your 360, and then let me know when you're ready to come in, okay?
Okay, I'll let you know to enter downwind. Sorry about that again.
No problems. It's just part of the business, and just let me know. Just remain calm. You're doing fine. And November 98339, just to let you know, I got a little situation here with another airplane. So what I'm planning for you to do, sir, if you would, just when you cancel, I just want you to fly straight over the runways, then transition to Redlands Airport from there. Is that okay?
Sounds perfect. 339.
All right.
November 90630, ready to enter the downwind for runway 6.
Okay, 630, perfect. Okay, just fly it downwind runway 6. I'm going to point out another aircraft that's on the final approach, but you'll be able to see the airport fine, so just maintain your ground contact, okay?
Okay, 630.
And 630, and so you're stable on the altitude, correct?
Correct, 630.
Okay, 630. And 630, just double check your altimeter 3012, 30.12.
3112?
No, 3012, 3012.
Okay, 3012. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so 630, so the airport's still off your right side. So if you continue downwind just a little bit more, you're still going to be able to see the airport. If you want to make another 360 to the left, that's fine too.
630, yes, I'm able to see the airport. If you want me to extend downwind, I'm feeling calm right now, 630.
Okay, 630, this other aircraft is still in IFR conditions. He's on the instrument approaches straight ahead and to your right, should be. It's another Beechcraft. It's a Beech 23, so advise the traffic in sight.
630, looking for traffic, but I'm not able to see anything.
Okay, just continue where you're at. I'm going to tell you when to turn.
630, you will tell me when to turn. I'm sorry about that again.
No problem.
339, cancel IFR.
339, roger, cancellation flag, and if you would just fly straight ahead over the top of the runways and transition to Redlands Airport.
We'll go straight ahead to the end of the runway before transitioning to Redlands. Thanks.
Okay, November 630, start your right turn now for base leg, okay?
Starting right turn for 6.
630. Then after you get established on your base leg, just let me know when you can see the airport, okay? You're about 2.5, probably 2 miles away from it.
630, I still see the airport.
630, very well. Just keep turning. Just turn all the way to the final. Let me know when you're established on your final, please.
I will let you when I'm on my final, 630. Thanks, sir.
And November 630, what is your altitude right now?
2,900.
630, you're 2,900, 2,900?
Yes, sir. 630.
630, you're probably going to need to lose some altitude, so just careful on your descent. You're just probably a little bit high, but just remember, you got 2 miles of runway, so we don't have any problems landing, so just descend very carefully, okay?
630, descending very carefully, tone, rate.
And 339, what is your altitude right now, sir?
We're 1,600.
All right, thank you. Okay, Cherokee 630, I do have you in sight. You're in sight, and nice easy descent like you're doing. Runway 6, wind is calm, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 6. Thank you, sir.
That's 339 over to Redlands.
And 329 for exchange proof, thank you again for your help.
Yep, no problem, and we'll squawk VFR.
Okay, 630, you're down the ground very safe now, right?
Yes, 630.
Okay, 630, so do you want to turn off on taxiway Bravo and taxi back to the school, or which one's your preference?
I would love to taxi back to the school, 630.
Okay, 630, just turn taxiway Bravo, and just keep going up where you're at right now. You're going to pass taxiway Alpha 1, and then taxiway Bravo is kind of a slanted taxiway. You're probably familiar with that.
From Bravo back to the school. Thank you, sir. Again, sorry about the man.
No problem, man. 630, and taxi now officially taxiway Bravo Alpha Echo to flight school.
Bravo Echo Alpha to the flight school.
No, the other way around. Bravo Alpha Echo.
Bravo Alpha Echo to the flight school. 630.
November 3, 603, and just let me know when you're ready for VFR departure.
Roger, we will let you know. 603.
And thank you very much for your help earlier, sir.